Guys, welcome to Supercar Street Racing. You are back again on the channel, and we are so happy to have you here. And yes, we have some more of these junky mainstays lights because we are going to return the ones that broke and replace them with these because they broke after a couple of weeks in the warranty period. So, yeah, let's get these things replaced tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, back on Supercar Street Racing once again. We have a project, and that is these lights are absolute garbage, and they don't last more than a couple of weeks. Some more, some less. And so I have ordered 7 sets of them to replace the ones that burned out, and I'm going to return the ones that didn't last because they were still in warranty. So, yeah, so we're going to get all these replaced tonight. We're waiting for it to get a little bit darker so we can actually see which strings. Most of the strings need to be replaced, so hopefully we have enough. If we don't, we'll have to order some more. So now we're just waiting for it to get a little bit darker. All right, we're out here in the Supercar Street Racing backyard with one mission tonight, and we're actually waiting for Dukes of Duval to come over and help. But we're going to be replacing all the light strings that are bad. I keep looking to see if he's sneaking up on me, but we have all the new strings right here, so we got to get all these unboxed, make sure that we save the extra lights from them, and then go replace all of the fixtures that have issues. So let's get one of these guys unboxed real quick. They're kind of a pain. They come like, and we have to save the boxes because we are returning all the bad ones. And that's not too bad. All right, we've got one unboxed. And right here next to the Supercar Street Racing studio, we have our first set that we might be able to fix. We'll try new bulbs first on this guy right here and this guy. See if that does it. If not, we will have to replace the whole string, and they do come with spares. They come with 2 spare bulbs. This one's got several out, so that whole strip is out, which it could be the fuse. We're gonna need pliers for this. Yep, grab some pliers. All right, we got company to help fix the lights, and so this whole string is bad. We're gonna replace this whole string and then start moving down the line. That one just needs a new bulb. Pull it straight off. And then we got pliers to take the bulb out, but we need a spare. I don't have any yet until we open another package. All right, we got Dukes of Duval out here, and it's a nice, cool night, and we just finished repairing the string lights on the fence. And so how was that? Was that pretty easy?
Easy.
Easy peasy. We
Yeah,
just real quick knocked it out in about 15 or 20 minutes, and as you can see, we were able to repair 2 sets of lights with spare bulbs, and we replaced 7 whole pairs of lights, and that's what we are left with right now. And now later I have a light down there on the dock that got hit by a tree limb that I have to replace, so I have a spare for that. And that's going to be it for this one. That's all this was just getting the backyard lighting all back into shape, and we got that done. So all right, I just wanted to give you guys one last look at the night shot here. Now we are on the GoPro mic. I don't know how good this is going to sound, but this is a shot of the yard at night, and I don't know how good the GoPro also will do at night video, but here is how it looks with all the fence light replaced and the new lamp under the patio. Now I just ordered the replacement globe lights for the under the patio that go around here, and they go all the way down here and around the house. So we will be putting those up here, and they go literally all the way to that side. So those are on order, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you enjoyed our beautiful night backyard shot here, and we'll see you guys next time on the channel very soon.